Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and on today's topic of discussion we're going to be talking about the Peloton Bike Plus. And obviously you guys may be interested in purchasing this bike. That's the reason why you guys are watching this video today, and I am genuinely giving you guys my honest opinion. Obviously I'm a regular schmegler, somebody on YouTube making a video just so I can help somebody that is on the fence with purchasing this bike, because I myself is a regular middle-class person that got gifted this Peloton. Well, my husband bought this for my 30th birthday because I have a chronic illness, and he thought that having a bike would, you know, keep my joints going and motivate me to lose weight, as I was fit in my past life. So this particular video is going to be talking about the Apple kit. Okay, I felt as though I wanted the upgraded bike because it had the Apple kit and it had the tilt-in screen. Okay, I was excited for that. I ordered the original Peloton, and then like 3 days later they announced the new bike, and I was like, okay, I'm already paying $2,400. What is another $314? Okay, because I didn't have to buy a heart rate monitor because it already has the Apple kit. Right, this is my brain process. So this particular video is going to talk about my take on the Apple kit feature on the Peloton Bike Plus. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, stay tuned. We're going to get the ball rolling. Okay, so the Apple kit. If you have an Apple Watch, I have the Apple Watch 2. I don't know if this is the reasoning as to why my particular bike is acting the way that it does, but please place in the comment box below if this happens to you. I get on the Peloton bike, I sync it to my watch, perfect, it works out. But after 30 minutes, let's say I do a 45-minute ride with Ali Love, and after 30 minutes, the watch says it's completed a workout, but I still have 15 minutes left for the workout. It's a 45-minute workout, but it stops pairing after 30 minutes. It's like their system just made it so that way it just cuts off the tracking after 30 minutes. So I'm like, dang, that sucks. Like, I'm still burning calories, and I want to know how many calories I burned. And if you're a chunky girl like me, calorie counting, precise calorie counting is very important, because you don't want to offset your goals. Now, if I overcalculate my calories, like let's say they do the system, it might not match up to what the real amount is. You might be off by 100, and that really makes a difference. I know for some of you fit people, you're probably like, whatever. It means something to me, and other people that are consumers that are interested in purchasing this bike, this feature will make them purchase this bike. So as far as my experience on the Apple kit portion, I can say it's kind of trashy. And another reason why I'm saying it's trashy is because you got the yoga, the strengthening classes, you got the barre now, and other floor workouts, and it does not pair with the bike. Why does the Apple kit only pair with cycling but not the floor workouts? Like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, I literally made a video on my iPhone so you can see what I'm talking about. If I don't have it placed here for you to see, I'm gonna roll it in the clip. So here's the yoga flow class, and I easily connected it to my Rhythm Plus, which is the Scosche. Okay, but if for some reason it just does not support the Apple Watch. This type of class does not support Apple Watch. So, is the Apple Watch kit worth all the hype? The Apple Watch kit was the reason why I purchased this, and the tilt-in screen. So I was about to return this because I was like, okay, $55. Let me get my money back because this already has an Apple kit. But apparently you cannot use your Apple Watch for the yoga flow workouts, stretching workouts, and none of that. Now let's see stretching. Let's see stretch, because when you stretch, you don't get that much calorie burn. It's already connected, and I don't have to keep switching. It's just literally on, which is super convenient. So what was the purpose of the Apple kit? What was the purpose, you guys? You know, I mean, dislike the video all you want, but I'm just keeping it real. I'm keeping it 100. Like, what was the purpose of the gym Apple kit? I love convenience. All right, this is what you pay top dollar for, convenience. So yeah, like you pay so much money for this bike, and I keep saying this. It might be pennies for some, but for little people like me, my husband purchased this bike, but trust me, we ain't balling. All right, that was my 30th birthday gift, and I have chronic illness as mentioned before, so this is an investment to me, and I don't want to make it feel like it wasn't, and it was a bad mistake for buying this bike. So if anybody that is watching this video, please put your experience down. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have this Apple Watch. Are you guys experiencing the same thing I am? Because this is my take on it, and I'll show you the proof. A yoga class. Let's pair this. Let me see what happens. Can I pair? Oh wait, unable to connection available with this equipment. Now, I was gonna purchase the original Peloton bike, the original, which most of you guys have the original bike. So I already ordered these Scosche heart rate monitors. It's the most talked about heart rate monitors, way better than the Peloton heart rate monitors because it's supposed to be super comfortable, super accurate, and it stays on your arm or your hand. So I bought these Scosche heart rate monitors, and I literally just tried it yesterday or this morning's ride, and hands down, I'm glad I didn't return those because I don't have the original Peloton, and I was like, oh, I got an Apple Watch. What do I need those heart rate monitors for? Let me get my $120 back. Ding, ding, ding. But I'm glad I kept them, and again, this is like an extra expense on top of the bike. The goal was to just have the Apple kit that works with every workout listed on that screen. We're paying $40 a month. $40 a month. It better pair. This video wasn't really to rant. It was just really just to educate someone that is on the fence of purchasing this bike. I do like this bike, and this is like my ongoing second week. So as far as like my experience of this bike right now, I can say the only thing is, I know it sounds like I'm talking so bad about it, but I really like this bike, okay? So I'm trying to find tweaks to make this more enjoyable, because this bike says that it's not supposed to click or clank, but when I'm standing and I'm riding it, it does click a little bit. So I gotta see if I gotta tighten it. If you guys have any video links you want to place, please do, so I can fix my bike. But I will get on the phone with Peloton. Also, if you have thick thighs like me, right where the resistance knob is, when you're running, sometimes it turns the dial, so I'll be on a heavier or lighter resistance sometimes depending on the way I'm running. So my thighs do catch that resistance knob. That's another thing I don't like about it, but I'm trying to like find a way where my thighs don't hit that knob, which is kind of hard. Okay, big girls like me, it's very hard. What else? But other than that, like, the bike itself is really, really good. Like, it's a very good bike. I love the classes. I have no complaints. I'm very motivated, very encouraged. And there's a lot of variety of workouts. They're coming out with more since this Bike Plus came out, so I'm super excited for that. Yeah, so I hope this video may have helped someone that is on the fence of purchasing this bike. I can say I really, really like this bike. That's the reason why I'm throwing out these videos, so maybe that one of the Peloton headquarter people can see the issues that us little people are going through, and maybe they can make some adjustments. Maybe they can do some software updates, so that way we won't be struggling here. Okay, because I'm trying to get these fitness goals, man. I'm trying to get right. I'm trying to be like Jess Sims. Oh my goodness. But if you guys want to follow me on Peloton, you're more than welcome to. My username is ILovePrettyJess. That's also my Instagram name. So also, if you guys really enjoyed this video, please put a thumbs up. It definitely helps my little small channel grow a little bit more. But yeah, other than that, you guys have an amazing day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.